Sir, by the way, let me know about your hobbies. You said that you are much attached to literature. You write novels,
Yeah.
etc.
Yes, it is true, but to tell you all that will take too much time. When I write, I always follow a strange way. Always and sometimes new. So I will repeat 2 poems new to the world. The death is like a pretty damsel who demands your love and affection. You may or may not concede to her, but the day will come when, where, and how she would give you the final embrace cannot be predicted. Dust the rust in your heart and make it pure to sow the seeds of love and affection. Shatter hatred and all other strifes and make this world a better place for all of us to be safe, happy and contented.
Any more hobbies?
To be frank, I spend most of my time on British horse racing.
Sir, can you give me a winning tip?
Your request is like demanding feathers from a tortoise. Persuading or encouraging a person for gambling is a sinful act.
Sir, if we are interested to follow your selection, how can we contact you?
Simple. Switch on your computer at 4 p.m. British time. Hope for the best.
I feel it is unfair and unkind not to have a few words about COVID-19, greatest danger and the menace that we face today.
COVID-19 virus is spreading like bushfire. Now it has spread up to 72 countries. All the other countries are on alert fearing virus attack. The most dangerous situation is that all activities throughout the world has come to an standstill. Aviation, navigation, so many other forms of transport has come down with very bad effect and losses to the people.
Friendly nations can discuss and decide if aid is acceptable or not.
But the individual or group help they will not accept. They don't want take a risk on such donations. Quarantine laws have been tightened up, so there is no possibility of even sending a parcel of fruits to the needy children. The doors of many countries are closed down to the world. Some cities are totally shut down. In some places, streets and hotels are closed down. Countries willing to help are lamenting because their help is refused. The needy countries lament because no help is coming. One day we all will have to get drowned in a flood of tears.
Sir, do you mean that all the roads for help is closed down?
Yes, the only way to help is to extend our sympathy and pray for relief and happiness. May God bless you.
Thank you.